Good morning to everyone, the students of class 5. Today, I Om Prakash Sharma is standing before you to teach the chapter 3 and chapter's name, The Tiger's Whiskers. Dear students, in this chapter, you will read the strength and a strong willpower. How will a woman show her willpower to get the achievement? It is said that if the willpower is strong, then no any work will be difficult. So, all my dear students, you should be inspired to learn this story. And difficult period, we should never give up patience. Just I am going to tell you a story. A young woman by the name of Yun Ok came to the hermit in the cottage. Hermit means holy man, and said, "O father, this time I am in distress. That means very, very large trouble. And in this period, in the period of difficulty, if you do not help me, I am truly lost. That means I shall lost of confidence." To hearing the point sentence of that woman, the hermit asked, "What is your problem?" Then the woman answered, "For the past 3 years, my husband has been away fighting in the wars, and now he has returned. He hardly ever speaks to me. He used to love me dearly, but now he is a changed man. If I speak to him, he doesn't seem to hear. If ever he talks to me, he speaks very roughly. If the food is not to his liking, he pushes it away and leaves the room angrily in a temper." "Dear, it does happen sometimes," said the hermit, "because when the young men come back home after the wars, their hearts are full of bitterness." So the woman requested the hermit, "Please, father, please give me some potion that will make my husband loving and gentle as he used to be." The name of potion heard the hermit said, "A potion for your husband? Well, back after 3 days. Then I will tell you. That means I shall tell you the way need for such a potion, what you want." Dear students, after 3 days, that woman went to the hermit to get the potion. Yun Ok came back to the hermit. "Sir, according to your wish, after 3 days, I have come to you again. I have thought over your problem," said the hermit. And the hermit replied that woman, "To make the potion you want, I shall need the whisker of a living tiger. Bring me a living tiger's whisker, and I will make the potion you want." Dear student, whisker means the hair near the mouth of tiger such a difficult task? How will she get the whisker? Whatever the suggestion was given to the woman by hermit. Really, it was a difficult task. The whisker of a living tiger, said the woman in surprise. But how could it be possible for her to get such a thing in any person? If any student, you have to understand, try to understand what I am telling you. Any person, it is a difficult task to find the whisker of a tiger. You will find it if you think the question is really important, said the hermit, and anyhow you will have to bring the whisker. Then he stood up and walked out of his cottage. So the woman, determined of his mind and ready to get the whisker of the tiger. For it, what attempts she did, 1 or 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, just like he tried to get her achievement, and at last she found the whiskers, tiger's whiskers. How she found tiger's whiskers? The rest part of the story I will tell you in next video. Thanks.